Severe thunderstorm watch number 2 remains in effect until 8:40 a.m. this morning. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm watch. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson, Walker, and Winston. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms in and near the watch area. Be prepared for possible severe weather, and stay tuned to weather updates. Hazard: severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds, large hail, and isolated tornadoes. Impacts: wind gusts up to 109 miles per hour, hail up to 8 inches in diameter, and the potential for isolated tornadoes. Be alert for severe weather conditions, and take necessary precautions to protect yourself and your property. Monitor local weather updates, and be ready to take action if a severe thunderstorm warning is issued. Tornado watch number 2 remains in effect until 10:45 a.m. this morning. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado watch. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson, Walker, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, Winston, and St. Clair. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of tornadoes in and near the watch area. Be prepared for the possibility of severe weather, and stay informed about current conditions. Hazard: potential for tornadoes, along with severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Impacts: tornadoes, wind gusts up to 89 miles per hour, and hail up to 7 inches in diameter. Be alert for severe weather conditions, and take necessary precautions to protect yourself and your property. Monitor local weather updates and be ready to take action if a tornado warning is issued. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shelby County, South Central Jefferson County, until 12:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ensley, moving east at 67 miles per hour. Hazard: football-size hail source radar indicated impact damage to vehicles as expected. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Hoover, Mountain Brook, Vestavia Hills, Trussville, Homewood, Ensley, Fultondale, Bessemer, Alabaster, Pelhams, Chelsea, Columbiana, Helena, Leeds, Montevallo, Vincent, and Wilsonville. Precautionary and preparedness actions for your protection: move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for extreme southeastern Tuscaloosa in central Alabama, Bibb County in central Alabama, until 3:40 p.m. At 1:30 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 3 miles near Brookwood or 5 miles near Centerville. Moving southwest at 77 miles per hour, the tornado will be near around Vance at 1:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11:34 a.m. Wednesday afternoon for central Alabama. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:40 p.m. for the following counties in Alabama: Tuscaloosa and Bibb. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a winter storm warning for extreme Shelby County until 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:48 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters have reported a severe winter storm combined with a tornado moving from Tuscaloosa County into Shelby County. Hazard: a rare and dangerous combination of heavy snow, ice accumulation, and a tornado. Impacts: significant snow and ice accumulation will make travel extremely dangerous or impossible. The tornado may cause extensive damage to buildings, trees, and power lines. Precautionary and preparedness actions: take immediate shelter if you are in the path of the tornado. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. Roads will be hazardous due to the combination of snow, ice, and potential tornado damage. Stay tuned to local media and NOAA Weather Radio for updates on this dangerous situation. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for West Catoosa County in western Georgia until 4:56 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters have spotted a dangerous tornado that has moved from Shelby County, Alabama, into Catoosa County. Location: the tornado is currently affecting West Catoosa County and is moving northeast. Hazard: a confirmed large and destructive tornado. Impacts: this tornado is capable of causing significant damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure. There is a risk of severe injury or fatalities, and extensive damage to trees and power lines is likely. Precautionary and preparedness actions: take immediate shelter in a basement or a small, windowless interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are caught outside or in a vehicle, seek shelter in a nearby building or drive at right angles to the tornado's path if you can safely do so. Stay tuned to local media and NOAA Weather Radio for updates.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a hailstorm warning for Chilton County and Dallas County until 6:08 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters have spotted a severe hailstorm accompanied by a tornado affecting the area. Location: the hailstorm and tornado are currently impacting Chilton County and Dallas County, moving northeast. Hazard: large hail up to 9 inches in diameter and a confirmed tornado. Impacts: the hailstorm is producing destructive hail that may cause damage to vehicles, crops, and roofs. The tornado is capable of causing significant damage to buildings, trees, and power lines, with the potential for severe injuries or fatalities. Precautionary and preparedness actions: seek shelter immediately in a basement or a small windowless interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are driving, pull over to a safe location away from trees and power lines. Avoid stopping under overpass. Stay tuned to local media and NOAA Weather Radio for updates on this dangerous situation, and follow instructions from emergency officials. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for Walker County, Winston County, and Fayette County until 8:09 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar were tracking a catastrophic flash flood hazard, catastrophic flash flooding due to intense rainfall rates and overwhelmed drainage systems. Source: radar indicated impacts. This flash flood event is a complete disaster, with widespread and life-threatening flooding occurring. Roads, bridges, and homes are being inundated, and there is a significant risk of property damage, displacement, and potential loss of life. Precautionary and preparedness actions: move immediately to higher ground. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Avoid walking or driving through floodwaters. Turn around. Don't drown. Just 6 inches of moving water can knock you down, and 1 foot of moving water can sweep your vehicle away. Take immediate action to protect your life and property. This is a mass casualty situation. Tune to local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation.
It's finally over. Yes, it's finally over. After a large amount of mass casualty weather, it has finally came to an end. Well, look at all those damages. It's so severe. Maybe this is the first tornado outbreak combined with other types of storms. While we didn't get a lot of tornadoes, it still counts as a tornado outbreak. Before the dissipation, the tornado was an EF4. Well, Birmingham is now destroyed and their nearby cities. Well, I think this is the worst outbreak in Alabama ever, beating the 2011 Tuscaloosa-Birmingham tornado. Well, I guess nobody will ever forget this event. Rest in peace who died to this mass casualty situation.